Bad faith refers to intentional dishonest act by not fulfilling legal or contractual obligations, misleading another, entering into an agreement without the intention or means to fulfill it, or violating basic standards of honesty in dealing with others. Most states recognize what is called implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing, which is breached by acts of bad faith, for which a lawsuit may be brought for the breach. The question of bad faith may be raised as a defense to a suit on a contract.